Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, my name is Karna Melantika. I'm from Talent Science 1 of Senior High School 1 Muaro Jambi. Here I will make a traditional cake that is Nagasari. Okay, let's start it.
The ingredients I use is flour, pandan leaf food coloring, coconut milk, sugar, bananas leaf. The tool I use is gas stove, steamer, basin, cauldron, spatula. How to make? First, combine the flour with coconut milk until evenly distributed. Second, put the food coloring into the dough that has been evenly distributed early. Stir until evenly distributed. Third, cook the dough over medium heat until thickened. Don't forget to add sugar to taste it. After turning off the stove, let it sit for a few minutes. While waiting, let's peel the banana leaves first to warm the dough. Okay, let's see how to warm it. First, put the dough in the banana leaf, then add the banana after the warm it. After all were both steamed over medium heat and wait a few minutes until cooked.
A few moments later.
After it, Nagasari is ready to be eaten. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget like, comment, and subscribe. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.